Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing a recipe of beetroot chutney which I had mentioned it in the last video. This is a very easy recipe and quick recipe and goes well with bhakri or tortilla, Indian tortilla, roti, chapati, paratha and all that. Here I am taking some Bengal gram or split black gram in a pan with some oil and I am just roasting it a little. This is how we make the chutney. And now I am taking about 2 tablespoons of black gram or urad dal. The chana dal or the split chickpea was about 2 tablespoons. So this gives a nice flavor to the chutney. So I am just roasting it a little with a little oil. I am taking about half an inch piece of ginger and some garlic cloves, green chilies as per your taste, curry leaves. Saute it a little, keep sauteing till it softens a little. I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some asafoetida. That is always added to some chutneys that we make. And I'm also adding some dried red chilies to give some heat to the chutney, also the flavor. So just keep sauteing everything till it softens nicely. Beetroots have got nitrates which relaxes the blood vessels and hence lowers the blood pressure and improves the blood flow in the veins. It is full of antioxidants. It improves athletic performance. It has got huge amount of fiber in it which helps blood sugar control. It also helps in digestion, giving a good bowel movement and also giving healthy microbes in the gut. It is also good for brain health. Here I have added the grated beetroots. These are 2 in number. I have grated them. You can also add small pieces. You can just cut the beetroot pieces into very small pieces and you can add it to this mixture and saute it. You have to saute it nicely so that it is cooked almost about 70%. Beetroot juice is very good for skin. Beetroot has got anti-cancer and anti-aging properties. So it's a very good superfood. You should incorporate in your diet. So here you can see I am sauteing it. It is almost getting done. The beetroot becomes limp and that is the stage you can just take it. Then you have to cool it and grind it to a fine paste. After that I am taking a pan with a little oil. I am doing the tempering of it. We have to temper the chutney to enhance the taste. I am taking 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, adding to the pan and allowing it to crackle. After it crackles, I'll add some black gram, that is urad dal, about 2 teaspoons. That gives a very good crunch and a taste. Add some curry leaves and saute it. Let it crackle nicely and let the black gram get a golden brown color. I'm adding some asafoetida This is very good for digestion and removing bloating and gas. I'm also adding some dried red chilies. I have broken it into 2 pieces, so that way I'm adding it. So that is all we do for the tempering. And now when the urad dal or black gram gives a good aroma, you can just take it and add it to our chutney. You can see I have ground it into a fine paste. So that is how our chutney will be. Now I am adding the tempering to it and give it a good mix, and our chutney is ready. I have mentioned about this chutney in my previous video when I made the theplas or Indian flatbreads, the masala one. So this chutney goes with those masala theplas or masala flatbreads. So we can see how nice it looks, the color, it's very tempting and it's very delicious and also very healthy. So definitely include them in your diet. I hope you like this recipe. It's a very quick and easy recipe, and this chutney goes with many theplas or masala rotis or chapatis or tortillas or any Indian flatbread. You can also use them as a dip. It's very tasty. So please do try it at your homes. Subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. You can see I'm serving it with the masala puris that I have made. That was made in the previous video. This is the masala roti or thepla, and this goes with the beetroot chutney. So that is how I'm going to enjoy it. I'm sure all of you will enjoy this. Please do try it and let me know how it came. Enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching.